Welcome back. Here we go again with this Glock 43 from the last video. If you remember, I ran into some issues with the paint, and I also chose one of the colors poorly. Time to go back into the media blasting cabinet to remove all the fail. It'll be followed by a good scrubbing in acetone, and then another gas out baking cycle just to make sure I don't repeat that last issue. This time around I chose to do a single color base coat, and a 2-color second coat after a short baking cycle to flash in between. Enough talking, let's get to it. With the last failure still in mind, I've been doing my best to remember to wear gloves anytime I'm touching the bare metal surfaces. So far, I'm not seeing any signs of issues.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Play on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
It's best to keep the finish as thin as possible. I'm not going to spray tan on this whole slide, knowing that I'll come back and put green in the middle. An excessively thick finish will only cause you issues later. After you get all the stencils off, it's back into the oven for the final bake. Since the sights in this slide are polymer, I chose to use the lowest temperature, 180 degrees, for a longer period of time. There's no denying that this isn't way better than the one before. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.